Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the display, or some may call it interface language, in the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this, guys. And let me just tell you that there is a difference between the display language or the interface language and the translation language, for example, of websites you visit. And you can adjust both of these inside your browser settings on Midori. So what you need to do is open up a Midori browser, for example, on your desktop computer and access your browser settings. You can do that either by clicking into that gear icon in the very bottom left corner here on that sidebar, or you may simply click into these three dots in the top right, three lines, and select settings. Now, in the next step, head over to the general tab here, scroll down a bit, so let me find it, to get to the language settings. Now, as you can see, guys, you can choose your languages for the display menus and basically what we call the interface, which is basically all we see here. But also various languages you may add as translations. For example, when you enter or visit a website and right-click into the website anywhere and simply ask Midori to translate the website's content for you if you don't know, if you don't speak the given language. So you can do that by simply downloading the language package from that list and add it to your list of translations. And for the interface language, guys, simply click into that button here and set one of these supported languages as your default interface language. You can also choose several and make one of these your preferred language for displaying pages. So to do that, click into choose here and add languages to that list. So, for example, let me add also Arabic and click into add here. And after that, let me also add, I don't know, French, find it, or German. Click into add here, and now you can change the position. For example, make Arabic your preferred language for website content or display, or make English your favorite or preferred language, or remove these languages if you don't want to use them. That's it. Confirm by clicking into OK. And that's how I do it, guys. As you can see, the interface is now displayed or being displayed in English. And you can as well add various translation languages for offline translation, for example. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.